How would you find it now? Because, of course, RTE have become the news story over the past few months.
Yeah, well, it wouldn't be easy either.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you're sitting there reporting on the organisation that you've worked with, that an awful lot of people are. For years, your friends all work inside there, loads of people are involved. And when it happens to your own organisation, and it's happened before in the past.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
It must be a bit of a surreal experience.
You just have to treat it like another story. You just,
Yeah.
you know, again, you go into newscaster mode.
Have you found it difficult to watch the story? You know, listen, Ryan is a great guy, and unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to see him back on our airwaves again.
For now.
It's been I'm sure as somebody who had such wonderful memories in RTE, it must be so difficult to see what's going on at the minute.
It is, yeah. And I mean, and it's not just Ryan, it's what was going on elsewhere in the organisation. And I understand that a lot of my colleagues are extremely angry over the whole thing. But then people are jumping on it as well. So, you know, it'll resolve itself eventually. There are a lot of good people in RTE, and Ryan is one of them. Kevin Backhurst is one of them. You know, they'll sort it out.
And Eileen's like, there was an Eileen Dunne shaped hole in the door. It's got nothing to do with me anymore. I'm fine.